ingredients.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
This will be our first video of the year. So sorry that we have not been vlogging because I got sick for over a week, and now Yan wants me to do a what? What are we making?
Muffin.
Banana muffin. So he's been asking me for about 2 days now. So we will gonna be making it today, right Yan?
Yes, and this one.
Yeah, so he already started doing it. I'm heating up the oven to 375 degrees. And yep, it's there already, set. And then I'm gonna prepare all the ingredients first. Let's proceed. Right, Yan? No? 3 large bananas. You just have to mash it. Some vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, get some chocolate chips. Need some flour and sugar.
I'm here. I'm a baby nay. I'm the banana. I'm a banana.
Banana.
I'm a watermelon. On my head.
What happened to your head?
I'm a watermelon. Maybe a watermelon.
Okay, this is all I have here, and then we're gonna put some on top, some chips. Okay, mayo chips here. Okay, this is it, and I'll put it in the oven for like 13 minutes. Fresh from the oven. I normally leave it on the pan for like 5 minutes and then transfer it to a wire rack to cool down so that you can retain the moisture of the muffin. This time I did not put any oil in this one, and I'm just checking out how the moisture of the muffin with no oil. So hopefully it's good. I'm sure it's gonna be good. It's just I guess the texture or consistency of the cake. Trying this out. It's not burned, so it's good. It's perfectly done. Okay, it's moist, but I guess it's burned a little bit, so I guess the 13 minutes was fine, and I added more 3 minutes to it, so I guess that would burn the muffin. So I guess the 13 minutes should be good, but anyway, still good. Yum.